everybody, welcome to this quick little video about getting started with Autodesk Fusion 360. Hopefully by now you've followed the instructions and signed up for your free Autodesk account. If you haven't, please go back, check the instructions on how to do that. You also need to have verified your account as well, so make sure that you go into your email and do that. Remember, you have to do it with your LearnLink or your educational email address. Alright, let's log in. So I'm going to use my details. And it's going to ask me for my password, which you guys will have your own password. Now, I have set up this to as an extra layer of security. It will keep asking you to do this, and if you choose not to, if you don't want to put a phone number in, you can just, there's an option down here when you first sign in to skip using it for now. I've just set it up so I know when I sign in. So that's the code that I got sent through. I will just enter that. Alright, and we're in. So it's just doing its little thing here. Hopefully it won't freeze up. It does have a little bit of an issue sometimes with freezing, so we've just got to close it down and reopen it and hope for the best. Alright, looks like it's going to be working. Now, if yours comes up with a black screen here, please let me know and I will come and look at it and fix it. So that's just an issue that we've had. It's a known issue that we've got here at school where it does that. The first thing I'm going to want you guys to do is over here, we've got this show data panel. I'm going to click on that and it's going to pop up here with your name and projects. I want you to create a new project called Skills Tasks. And this is where you're going to put all of your skills tasks. So you can think of these projects as being folders on a computer where you've got, let's have a look at, if I look at previous skills and open this one up, it shows these three files here that I've been working on. So there's an I-beam, which you guys are going to do. There's a sketches one, which I'm going to talk through in another video, and a simulation one, which I've also been looking at as well. So these are your different files. These here are your different folders. So we'd like to keep everything organized in this course, so I want you to create a new project called Skills Tasks. And when you open that up, it should just be blank. When you go to save it, whatever you're working on, make sure that your location here says Skills Tasks. If it doesn't, click the little down arrow here and make sure that you select Skills Tasks. So that's it for this video. In the next one, we're going to just go through some of the basics of sketching and creating some very basic 3D models in Fusion. So we'll see you in that video. Bye for now.